Hello guys, it's Shauna Boy. How are you doing? So today I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a slime video. This is from Dollar Tree. This is new. This is I'm just literally just left Dollar Tree, but I'm doing a slime challenge today, and I'm here at Dollar Tree. So I got like a bunch of stuff here from Dollar Tree. Like I got how to make your own snow. I got these little things you put in here for a little skinny something thing. Got a little glue. I got clay you can use. Got a bunch of stuff here from Dollar Tree, so I'm really excited. Also I got some glue, some soap, shaving cream. Of course, you got dish detergent. This is the activator. So I'm really excited to get all this stuff here from Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna get home and try this stuff out. See you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, here is your glitter glue pens. Here's your activator, which is liquid detergent. Here's your soap. Here's your shaving cream. Here's your glue. Here's your little beads. This is optional, but I found this at Dollar Tree. So let me add this to the slime, but it's optional. So guys, so I need your glue and point it to the container. Now, I use two things of glue during this tutorial, but you know, it depends on how much slime you want to make. And add your liquid detergent. Add it slowly, and when it starts to mixing, it should work. So you see here, it's starting to put together, so you know it's working. So y'all, this is an epic fail here. So I had to do this slime twice. The first ingredient didn't work out, so sometimes that's what happens. You gotta try again. So I tried again here, and I used actually 1 cup of glue. So actually the glue that I first bought for this challenge, I ran out. So thankfully I had some extra glue here at the house, so I went ahead and used that glue. So technically, you know, I lost the challenge, but I needed some glue to finish the video. Alright, here I'm adding some shaving cream to the glue to make it be more fluffy. I'm adding the soap here to make it smell good. Also, it'll feel good on your hands. And here I'm adding the glitter. So here I'm adding a little bit of color dye. I didn't get this at Dollar Tree, so I added this because I wanted to make the slime color. But I'm pretty sure you can buy food dye at Dollar Tree. I just wish I would have got some. But I want to go and color my slime, so here I added some red dye. It turned pink, I didn't really want it to be pink. But, you know, if you keep adding more dye, it'll turn red. Alright, so I added a few more drops to the slime to make it a little bit darker. So here I am already added some more of the game. So it's starting to mix, and it's starting to clump up like slime. Basically, liquid detergent is kind of like liquid starch, basically. So it acts as a great activator. So here I'm adding some of these beads. These is no option. I mean, you know, you don't have to really use this stuff, but you know, I found some of this now, so let me add it to the slime. So here I'm mixing it all together, and the slime turned out really good, you know. So this is all ingredients from Dollar Tree. Alright guys, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to do more slime videos, let me know in the comment section below, and go and like this video if you really enjoyed it. Go subscribe, become part of #ShinyFam, and let me know what other type of slime video you want to see on my channel, cause it's fun to make, and I enjoy making them. So, and I like being creative and making stuff. So let me know in the comment section below what other type of slime videos you want to see on my channel. Thanks for watching. Always remember to stay blessed. Love you guys.